My name is Anya, and welcome back to Anya's World. Today, we're going to be making banana bread. But before we get started, make sure all your ingredients are pre-measured and your oven is set for 350 degrees. Today, I'm using a cupcake pan so that I can take these on the go, especially on days when I'm late for school. I'm always late for school, so let's get started. So in my bowl, I have 4 smashed bananas. And I'm going to add 1/3 cup of butter into it, and I'm going to mix it. And then I'm going to use my liquid measuring cup and put a 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 beaten egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then I'm going to mix it. And then next, to the liquid measuring cup, I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt, a pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of baking soda. Then I'm going to add this into my mixture. And I'm going to use this to mix it all up. Next, I'm going to add the 1 1/2 cups of flour. And this time I'm going to use the whisk so all the flour can mix in nicely. The last ingredient is optional, chocolate chips. Because who doesn't like chocolate chips? Now, our batter's done. Now that the batter's done, we can start to pour. But before we pour, we have to spray the pan. Let's get pouring. I'm going to put these in the oven for 20 minutes, and then I'm going to check halfway. See you then. Back with the banana bread. It smells so good. Let's try it. Yum. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I want to give a big shout out to Adela, so I hope you're watching. Bye!